Hey Polk Nation, Brian Stamper here. I'm a General Superintendent at Polk Mechanical. In our honing skills workshop, we will be covering how we execute a work package. Work packages are the bridge between supervision and field to better understand the goals and keep communication lines clear. A few Polk projects have started utilizing work packages, and we have plans to implement company-wide in the near future. Let's look at the parts of a work package. I'm going to pull up a work package drawing on the iPad. Here we're able to see the following. Submittals. A submittal shows the product data of the material we are installing. Specifications. Specifications tell us the parameters needed to install based off the engineer's requirements. Fabrication labor goals. Bill of material report. This is all the material needed for the work package. Install labor goals. If you want to learn more about work packages, come join us for our honing skills workshop this May. We'll have the technology and all the materials you need in the workshop.